G'day guys, welcome back. So today we're going to Dunsborough for a bit of a shred, so enjoy. We've got our bikes here and we've also decided to take the mini bike. Make sure you stay tuned to the end where we ride the mini bike on the triple jumps. So we're here at the Dunsborough trails and we're just climbing up to the top now. So we're finally at the top and we're about to drop into Happy Myles, a black jump line. Just gonna stop at the step down to get some clips too. Happy Myles. Oh. Just about to drop into fun jumping, a black jump line. Oh, techie line. Big drop. Oh, I've got nice speed. Awesome doubles. Oh. My God!
Hi.
So fun jumping was running pretty smoothly. We're just climbing back up to the top to hit child's play. When we got up to the top, we decided to ride black and blue instead of child's play. Oh! Change your mind, we're going black and blue. Oh. So instead of child's play, we did black and blue, but we're going back up to the top to do child's play. Dropping into child's play. Oh, it's running pretty fast. Sort of wild tail. Oh, went flat. Oh. Give Blake a bit of space. Oh, this is sketchy. So just hit Kablooey into Fireys, which is a blue trail, and now we're going to go back to the triple jumps and get some clips there. Whoa! So we're here at the triple jumps and we got the mini bike.
Ready for a shreddy? Oh, I'm scared. Up in! Oh my god, I feel like Sam Pilgrim. Whoa! I'm dead! Oh!
that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.